have all packaged like postal service, you know? USPS, we say.
USPS.
See? Package and bag, swing for the bag. Oh, God, no, do not fall. Yeah, man. You see it? Enough artillery and gear we are dealing with out here, you know? Cause Quebec! Man, I think that joke out the road. When I fall, I show them something, man. I think I saw joking out here. You want to see why me have all that gear, yeah? Come outside! You can't even feel that cool, yeah? But you can't see, say, cool out there, man. You can't see, say, them your goggles are the right choice, you see me? And them mittens here too. Your car hot, send me 2 more pair now, man. You see someone walk with style, you know. You never see one walk with style yet. And someone walk with style, you know. If you ever see a man walk like so, just know something wrong with him, man. You can just slide, but the boots, them grip you do. Them grip up. Them not slide. Them not slide. Road, we say, you know. Yeah, vehicles, forward come to it. Quote that road car, you know? I don't want to try to run me over on them sitting there. Yeah, Christmas, long time done over, you know. Oh, no, I'm talking about the Christmas tree, man. Long time no flash that thing. Christmas tree for a long time, you know. Oh, my God. January, you know, 20. Flinging out the blood clots now.
Yeah, we're in Montreal right now, and we came to the bagel spot. We heard this is where the Nike-inspired bagel shoe came from, and we just happen to be not that far. So it's what is this, Saint Viateur Bagel. Yeah, let's see what's up, man. I'm gonna get me the breakfast sandwich because I need one of those right now after that performance last night.
After last night's performance.
Yeah. Wilding out. I was wilding out. Having too much fun.
All right.
Shot at work back there. Yo, you can pop one.
about the Nike Bagel sneaker. So here we are. Saint Viatura.
In Montreal.
Thanks, Susan Moss.
Word. I love you, Susan.
Thanks, Susie.
Like probably every day. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Money up another thing what we want. Now listen to the program. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Money up another thing what we want. Now listen to the program. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Money up another thing what we want. Now listen to the program. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Wanna find all the thing what we want. Money up another thing what we want. Now listen to the program. Down up, spoon anytime.
Hey, what up? It's your boy Life Behind Grips. Thanks for watching this video. You already know Tyrone did his thing at the show last night. He absolutely killed it. Man, we're here in Montreal. It's just a beautiful city. And everyone was just nice. Everyone was actually really nice at the bar. And, you know, like I said, everyone killed it. It was just an amazing thing. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Make sure you also follow Tyrone, at Tyrone. That's Tyrone's Instagram and all his social medias. So you already know. See you in the next one. Peace.